Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the server. Right-click the server icon and open Server Settings. This is where category-level controls live. Once done, confirm you hold Manage Channels or Administrator Permission, because Discord restricts category edits to those roles. You should now scan the left sidebar for channels and then find Categories. Click it to reveal the category list. This first action puts you in the correct panel, so make sure to proceed only when you see the category you intend to change. You click the 3 dots beside the target category and choose Edit Category. This opens options for name, permissions, and channel settings. Now adjust the name and, more importantly, the permission overrides grant or deny view channel, send messages, or manage messages for specific roles. Once you set those, make sure to propagate intended settings to existing channels by checking individual channel overrides. You do this because categories don't auto-override every channel. Explicit role overrides ensure consistent access and avoid surprises. After making edits, press Save Changes and then verify the results by viewing the server as a role or using an alternate test account. This confirms the visible channels and permissions. Once saved, inspect each channel's overrides to ensure they reflect the category's intended behavior, because individual channel settings can block inheritance. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to check role hierarchy and any explicit denies. Explicit denies trump a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.